Did you know a UN aid worker risked everything to expose officials stealing food from starving children? In 2019, Sarah Chen was coordinating humanitarian aid in Yemen's refugee camps. Food shipments kept arriving, but malnutrition rates never dropped. Children were still dying while tons of rice sat in warehouses. She started digging deeper and found falsified distribution reports. UN officials were secretly selling medical supplies and food to black markets. Millions meant for starving families funded luxury cars and vacation homes instead. When Sarah reported it, her own colleagues turned against her. Death threats flooded her phone. False accusations destroyed her reputation. The humanitarian community abandoned her, fearing for their own jobs. But she kept gathering evidence, working with international investigators in secret. Federal agents finally raided UN offices in Geneva based on her proof. The corruption network spanned multiple crisis zones worldwide. Today, her transparency reforms have saved thousands of lives across the globe.